In recent weeks, as NATO allies actively discuss providing combat tanks to Ukraine, Norway has also expressed willingness to support. In early March, Norway's TV2 channel announced a new plan by its officials to continue providing some CV90 infantry fighting vehicles to the Ukrainian military from its own arsenal. This is an export version of the STRF-90, developed by Sweden. Possessing high mobility, powerful firepower, and strong armor, the transforming monster, CV90 of Sweden, is considered no less capable than the US's Striker. Today, let's explore more about the CV90 with US military summary to see what makes this vehicle so special. The trend of modularization is currently on the rise in the military industry, and Combat Vehicle 90, CV90, is a prime example of this approach. It is not a single type of tank or armored vehicle, but rather a versatile armored vehicle system built upon the CV90 chassis. The weapon project was developed by the BAE Systems branch in Sweden during the Cold War, and first entered service in the Swedish Army in 1993. In 2007, the CV90 participated in combat in Afghanistan and demonstrated its combat capabilities by surviving attacks from modern anti-tank weapons. What makes the CV90 stand out is its ability to serve as both an infantry fighting vehicle and an armored personnel carrier during peacetime to reduce operating costs. In times of war, it can transform into a main battle tank simply by replacing the gun turret. In theory, the CV90's chassis system is only limited by the maximum weight of the gun turret it can carry, as all types of weapons can be effectively integrated into this chassis. Currently, 1,200 CV90 combat vehicles have been produced in 15 different versions and are in use by 7 countries around the world, including 4 NATO member states. All variants of the CV90 must adhere to a standard of 24.1 horsepower per ton of weight to ensure equal mobility, enabling effective combat operations on the battlefield. The CV90 is equipped with the improvised DS-I-14 engine system, produced by the Scania truck manufacturer, with a power output ranging from 550 to 810 horsepower, depending on the version, allowing the vehicle to travel at a maximum speed of 70 km per hour and have an operational range of 600 to 900 km per hour. Each version of the CV90 has active passive defense systems, along with an improved electronic system that matches the firepower it carries. The survival ability of the CV90 on the battlefield depends on its weight, meaning that the more armor or active defense systems it has, the heavier it is, but never exceeding 35 tons to ensure the vehicle's mobility. The CV90 is currently in service in many armed forces, including Norway, Finland, Switzerland, the Netherlands, and Denmark. Thanks to its flexibility and diversity, the CV90 has proven its combat capabilities on many fronts and plays an important role in modern military campaigns. The powerful infantry fighting vehicle, CV90. Like the Striker, the CV90 armored vehicle has many different variants to meet the different combat needs of the military. The CV90-105 is a light tank variant equipped with the Cockerill XC8 105 HP turret, with an automatic loading system and modern fire control system capable of firing the Falarik 105 GLAT-GM anti-tank missile through the barrel. The CV90-120T is the strongest variant of the CV90 infantry fighting vehicle, weighing 28 tons and equipped with the Cockerill XC8 120 HP turret, with a low recoil smoothbore 120mm gun, a maximum firing rate of 14 rounds per minute, and the ability to launch the Falarik 120 GLAT-GM missile through the barrel. The vehicle is equipped with sophisticated fire control systems, allowing for effective combat in all weather conditions, day or night, and has an integrated battlefield management system to ensure quick reaction times in all situations. The CV90-120T's armor structure is made of advanced modules, capable of withstanding 30mm armor-piercing rounds at the front and 15mm rounds fired at the sides and tail. The vehicle can also be fitted with reactive armor when necessary. The lightweight stealth design and active defense system make the CV90 120T highly survivable. The CV90 40 is another variant of the CV90, weighing 23.1 tons, CV90 40A/B, or 27.6 tons, CV90 40C, with a length of 6.55/7 meters, width of 3.17/3.42 meters, height of 2.71/2.75 meters, a crew of 3, and can carry 6 to 7 infantry soldiers. Its secondary weapons include a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a smoke grenade launcher. The CV90 is powered by a Scania DSi-14 or DSi-16 V8 diesel engine with a power output of 550 to 810 horsepower, allowing for a top speed of 70 km per hour and a range of 320 to 900 kilograms. The CV90 is also designed to perform multiple tasks on the battlefield, from reconnaissance, artillery support to anti-tank and artillery combat against enemy forces. This is particularly useful in modern warfare, where opponents often use non-confrontational tactics and require armed forces to be flexible in their approach and task execution. To date, the CV90 has been sold to 7 countries worldwide, including Norway, Sweden, Finland, Switzerland, the Netherlands, Denmark, and Estonia. In addition, many other countries have shown interest in this vehicle and are considering purchasing it. Overall, the CV90 armored vehicle is a modern, versatile, and flexible weapon system that meets many different needs and requirements of armed forces worldwide. By continuously upgrading and developing, the CV90 will continue to be one of the top armored vehicles in the world in years to come. Cost and maintenance. The cost of each CV90 infantry fighting vehicle will depend on various factors, such as the specific model, the quantity ordered, required combat standards, and other specific requirements from customers. However, the average cost of a CV90 is estimated to be around $5 to $6 million US. Regarding maintenance and upkeep costs, this will depend on various factors, such as usage intensity, operational conditions and environment, as well as which parts and components require maintenance or replacement. According to a study by the Norwegian government, the maintenance and upkeep cost for each CV90 is approximately $250,000 to $300,000 US per year. However, this is only an estimate, and the actual cost may vary depending on various factors. Manufacturers and customers typically negotiate terms and contracts related to maintenance and upkeep to ensure the effectiveness and combat readiness of these vehicles. Disadvantages. Although CV90 is considered one of the best infantry fighting vehicles in the world, it still has some drawbacks that need to be improved. The most notable issue is its weight, which makes transportation and deployment on the battlefield more difficult compared to other infantry fighting vehicles. Additionally, the electronic system of the CV90 also needs to be upgraded to meet the requirements of modern warfare. Finally, the cost of the CV90 is also one of its weaknesses, making purchasing and maintaining this vehicle more expensive compared to other options. I hope the information in this article has helped you understand more about the CV90 infantry fighting vehicle and its importance in modern warfare. If you found this article useful, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive more interesting and useful information on topics related to technology and engineering. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you again.